Hey, so next I'm going to show you how to do services. So let's take a look at this is what your Google My Business login will be. So I'll add you as a user, and you'll be a manager. So you won't be able to own it, but you'll be able to work on it. So what you'll do is you'll come in and so you'll see this is the main dashboard, and this is the company name. Don't come in here and edit anything, okay? The only thing I want you to work on is in what I'm talking about in the videos. So you just want to come in here to services. I've already come in and added all these services. So these are all the different services that a towing company, that all towing companies use the same services. You'll see they're selected, but there's no description. So description, what we want to do is go into our keywords. So we have the keyword section open here, and then we're going to want to come in and use some of these keywords in your service descriptions. But first, what I want to tell you is that what you need to have is at the start of every one of these descriptions, what we'll want to do is we'll want to start off each of them with a script that is a threes. So essentially, for example, we'll have John's Towing and Scrap Car Removal Service in Victoria, BC offers. This kind of has the description with the keywords in it. So if you didn't, let's say for example, you had Brent's Towing, and you would want it to say, this already has the keywords in it, but if let's say if it was Brent's Towing, we would want Brent's Towing, and then you would have tow truck and emergency roadside assistance service in Victoria, BC offers, and then whatever it is. So then it would be car towing services, and then you kind of give more of a description. And again, we can go back to our keywords, and so for example, this reliable towing here, I think I'm going to delete this one. I think that's no, we can use that. Actually, we'll use that. So let's just say if you are looking for a reliable towing service in Victoria, call on, what is this, Brent's Towing. Towing, and one of our tow truck drivers will be there to help you in a flash. It's just a simple description that we're going to add. We're going to have some keywords in there. You can see right at the start, you get all of these good keywords: tow truck, emergency, roadside assistance service, towing, and then this service is part of it. Kind of messed that one up. And then you have some more keywords down here. I'm just going to cancel this because what I wanted to show you is, so if you have this here, so we can still add a keyword here. So John's Towing and Scrap Car Removal Service and roadside assistance offers. And then we're going to copy this, okay, and then we're going to add this on all of these. So this battery service, we don't need battery service, we already have battery. So I'm going to delete that one. Okay, and I'm going to copy every one of these. And these are all services. I'm going to come in and edit all these. But I'm going to come in and add this at the first of every one of them, because I just want those keywords in there. And I want to start it out like that every time. Okay, so again, now that we have this, I was giving you an example with a different company because this one had a lot of keywords in it. So again, you want to add those keywords, kind of break it down of what we're doing. So for example, this one is car towing, offers car towing in the Victoria area. And then again, we can go to our keywords and towing company near me. Here we go. Let's use that one. If you searched towing company near me, you found the, let's see if we can get another keyword in there. Oh, hold on, Proton there. You found, let's see, towing, see, always towing, that's a name of a company. We don't want that. Tow truck company, towing service near me, a wrecker near me. We can use the wrecker. Actually, hold on. Towing company. I don't know if we've used company. We haven't. You found the most reliable, because there's a reliable towing there, and affordable towing company in Victoria. We offer tow truck service, that's another keyword, to the greater Victoria area. Oh, it's going to need a capital. Area. Call now. Okay, just because you only have 300 characters you can use. Okay, so let's get some good keywords in it. All right. You can see we spaced it all out. We broke up the content, which is good. Got the towing company near me. Oh, we already have towing company. Okay, more affordable towing. Let's just change that to service. Okay, we'll save it. Okay, so there you go. So what you want to do is come into all of these, and we're going to want to give descriptions with some keywords about tow trucks, roadside assistance, all these different things within the service descriptions.